Hello everyone, my name is Noah Ogden, and today we will be building a trap door. Okay, so first what you want to do is build slabs like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put an iron door right here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how many times I did this. Sorry guys. Okay, so you can put it as deep as you want. I'll do it. You know, I'll do it really short because I do it lots of times and I don't want the whole video to be like 5 minutes on this. Okay, so what you want to do, put 3 down right here, and you want it to be 3 up and 3 down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and you would also want it to be like this. Yep, see, there it is. Okay, so put a slab right here. Don't forget the sticky right here. Don't forget the sticky piston. You also put up wool. You need to put wool there. You also need another sticky piston like that. And and before the wool, you put it that way. That's how I mess up the other times. Put one right there. Put a redstone right there. Stone over there. Get that out of the way. And you also want to cover the top. I don't know why. It's really weird that you have to do that with it. Okay, so I think I got it correct. Yep, I am pretty sure I got it correct. Okay, so now you have to get a stone slab for our trapdoor. Put a stone slab and let's see if it works. Yep, there it goes. A trapdoor. You can there it goes. You can put a sign right here saying you are doomed by Jeff Killer. Do you guys watch My Name is Jeff? It's a Vine. Okay, you are doomed by Jeff Killer. You can put a picture of My Name is Jeff. Okay, up here. That was in my last YouTube video. I did a Jeff theme. Okay, and after you do, to reset it, put a stone slab right there. And you have to reset it every time you do it. So destroy that wool. Put another wool here. Up my redstone thing. Okay, put one right here. Oh yeah, we need a. Okay, and yeah, you have to reset that too. It's weird. It's really weird. And then you put the stone slab. Okay, and that is how you make a proper trapdoor. It was cool. See, I made a skyscraper. This is just extra stuff. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.